Hello everyone, this is Apurva Malani, your VMAT mentor from Macrovision Academy Burhanpur. Today, our topic for VMAT is dot situation. In dot situation, you will be given a problem figure and similar conditions will be mentioned in alternate figures that will be given to you as options. You will have to search for a condition an answer that is similar to the problem figure that is given to you. Now in the problem figure you will be given one or more than one dots in the figure. For example, as you can see in this figure, a dot is given in the figure which is inside the circle and the triangle but outside the square. Similarly, certain problem figures will be given to you and a combination of squares, triangles, rectangles. Some figures will be there in which the dots will be present. Now, while selecting one of these dots, you will observe that every single dot has a different condition. For example, in this figure, as you can see, the dot is inside a circle and a triangle, and there's another dot which is outside the circle but inside the square. Now, don't get confused. We'll talk about what these conditions are, what these dots mean. For now, this is how the question will look like. This is what the problem figures will look like. Now, when you will be given four alternatives to deal with these problems, you will have to figure out one similar answer figure that is there in the question, that is there in the options of the question. Now, let us understand this topic using some problem figures. In this question, X is the problem figure and A, B, C, D are the four alternatives that are given to you. It's a simple concept. You just have to visualize it. Now in question you can see X, that is the problem figure. Two dots are there. As you can see, I am giving these dots different colors so it is better for you to understand. Now I'll give the first dot as blue color and the second dot as pink color. Now the first dot defines what? It defines that the first dot, that the blue dot is inside the circle and the square but it is outside the triangle. I have written minus triangle here. This is what the blue dot represents. Instead of looking at the figures for every option, I'll look at what the dots mean. Now the pink dot represents what? It represents a circle, a square and a triangle. That is the area that is enclosed by all these three figures. So when you look at these dots, when you look at the answer figures, don't get confused about the area. It doesn't matter how much area we are talking about. I just want a blue circle, that is area which is inside circle, square but outside triangle. And for the pink circle, the pink dot, I want a area enclosed by circle, square as well as triangle. All three figures. Now, as you have already discussed what these dots means, the pink and the blue one. Now we'll look at the answer figures and we'll try to figure out which of these figures have both these conditions. I want both these conditions to be fulfilled in all my answer figures, whatever answer I am going to select. Now in first you can see I have the pink circle, that is circle, square and triangle. This area where I have made pink circle in option A, that is inside the circle, inside the triangle and inside the square. All three figures are there. Now I am taking the easiest one. You can start with blue circle, blue dot also, but I feel like all the three figures are easier to figure out. All as in circle, square and triangle. It is easier to figure out if I have the pink dot with me or not. That is why I am starting with the pink circle. Now as you can see, I can't find the blue one, that is in the circle and square but outside the triangle. Do you see anywhere in the figure where you will be able to find area which is outside the square, outside the triangle but inside the circle? No, because the circle itself is inside the triangle all the time, so you will not be able to find the blue circle, blue dot here. Therefore A option is eliminated because I'll not be able to find the blue dot in option A. Now in B option, again I'm starting with the pink dot. As you can see, I've marked the area where I can see circle, square and triangle. All the three areas are there, all the three figures, and I've marked the area. Now I'm looking for again the blue one. I want circle and square without the triangle. Is it possible? Can I find it anywhere? No, because again where the circle and square meet, the triangle is already there. In this area the circle and triangle and square are meeting, but it is already inside the triangle, so I'm not able to find the area for the blue dot. So again option B is eliminated. It will take time for you to visualize. You can pause the video and see what areas I am talking about, then only you will be able to visualize. Now I'll move to option C. In option C you can see again the pink area, the pink dot is visible, all the three areas are there, that much is clear to me. I'll look for blue dot, circle, square, no triangle. Is it possible? Am I able to find the area? No, because when you see again here, this area is what? Circle and triangle. Wherever the square and circle are meeting, it's already inside the triangle. Therefore I'll not be able to find the blue circle, because blue dot represents square, circle without the triangle. This without the triangle part I am not able to find so far. Now in option D, as you can see, again I'll be able to find the pink, as in the pink dot area, very easily. All the three diagrams, all the three figures are coinciding in this area. Now the blue circle, that is outside the triangle, I can see this area. I've marked the area in blue dot, where you can see this area is enclosed by what? A square and a circle, and it is outside the triangle. Like I said, don't mind the shapes of the triangle, don't mind the areas that are there. The areas may be different, but it is enclosed by these figures only. The figures that I've mentioned here above, that I've already stated what these dots represents. The area might be different, the sizes of the squares, the sizes of the boxes, everything can be different, the shapes can be a little different, but what it represents is the same. Therefore the answer is option D. Now let us go to the next question. In next question again you are given a problem figure and 4 options are given to you. Now as you can see, I'll do the same I did in the previous question. I'll mark these dots using 2 different color dots. The first dot is blue and the second as pink. Now the blue dot represents what? All the 3 figures, circle, triangle and square. You can see this blue dot, this area is inside the triangle, inside the square and inside the circle. Now the second, the pink circle represents what? The area which is inside the triangle and square, but it is outside the circle. Therefore I have eliminated circle from this option. Now when you look at the answer figures, you have to find both pink and blue circles in this. I'll start with one of these circles here, blue, the area that represents all the 3 figures. Now in option A you can see there is this small area which is enclosed by all the 3 figures, that is the circle, triangle and the square. Now the next shape, again you will be able to find the blue dot very easily. All the 3 figures are there in the blue dot. In option C, as you can see, you will not be able to find the area which is enclosed by all the 3 figures. Either you will be able to find the circle and the triangle here, or you will be able to find the square and the circle. Now I want all the 3 figures, so in this figure, in option C, I am not able to find the blue dot. Therefore I can eliminate this option directly. In the next option I'll be able to find all these figures. I've mentioned a dot here. All circle, triangle and square intersect at this point. Therefore I'll be able to find the blue dot easily. Now I'll go to the pink one. Pink is what? Triangle, square minus the circle, that is outside the circle. Now in option A, I'll not be able to find such area. See, triangle and square. Triangle and square are meeting here, but it's already inside the circle. So I'll not be able to eliminate option. I'll be able to eliminate option A. Again, in option B, triangle and square. Here the triangle and square are meeting, but it's also inside the circle. I want outside the circle, without the circle. So eliminated option B also. In option C also it is not possible because I have already eliminated option C. In option D you want to find the pink dot. The triangle and square. Here the triangle and the square are meeting and it is outside the circle. As you can see in the figure, it is outside the circle but inside the triangle and the square. Therefore I'll be able to keep option D. Option D is the answer. Now in this question you will see a problem figure is given to you. In this you have two dots. First dot is inside the single circle. I am again giving them two different colors for better understanding. The first dot, that is the green dot, is inside a single circle. Only one circle. Doesn't matter which circle in the answer figure. You will have to just figure out if a single circle or a circle without any other intersection is possible or not. Now the second dot, which is the blue dot, it is inside all the three circles. As you can see, it is inside the left circle, the right circle, as well as the bigger circle. Therefore I have two conditions for dot. The green dot represents single circle, the blue dot represents all the three circle. Now I'll take all the options and let us find out if these conditions, if these dots are possible or not. In all these options you will be able to find the first circle, single circle, very easily. As you can see in option A, I am only marking a possibility. A lot of options are there, but I am trying to tell you that single circle is possible in all the four options. In option A, in option B, in option C, and in option D. Therefore I don't have, no conclusion can be drawn because of the green dot. Now I'll go to the second dot, which is what? All three circles. As you can see in option A, this dot, this pink dot represents only two circles. It's outside the third circle. Therefore this option is eliminated. Now in option B also, as you can see, again intersection of only two circles is possible anywhere in the figure. No three circles are together. Therefore we'll eliminate option B also. In option D you can see again only two circles are meeting at a time at any given intersection, here as well as here. Therefore option D is also eliminated. Now you will go to option C. There you have already seen the green dot. Now the blue dot will be at the center because this center, this area represents all the three circles. This dot is inside all the three circles that is given to you. Therefore answer is option C. Now in this question I have taken three dots, a question that has three dots and four figures. A little bit difficult but also easier than the others. How? We'll see. Now in this question again I'll do the same thing. I'll mark the dots in different colors. Now first dot is represented by this pink color dot. The pink color dot represents what? A circle and a triangle. As you can see, the pink dot is inside the circle and the triangle only, right? The second dot, that is the green dot, it represents what? It represents a square and a triangle only. I am not telling you which figures it does not represent. When I am writing triangle and circle, I mean it is the area only enclosed by triangle and square, nothing else. Now the next, the blue dot represents what? The blue dot represents a rectangle and a triangle. Now I'll keep these conditions in mind and then I'll look for the answer figures. Now I have all the three conditions with me and four answer options are there. Let us see which dots I am able to find out easily. In option A you can see the pink dot, that is the circle and the triangle. I have mark that area in the answer figure. Next, I'll be able to see the same thing in option B also. Here a very small area is there where only I'll repeat, only circle and triangle. I don't want the other figures in this area. Only circle and triangle are present. Now in option C, you will not be able to see the same thing because I want circle and triangle only, right? Here the circle and triangle are not even intersecting. There are two different figures, very separate from each other. Therefore I can directly eliminate. If I am not getting one single dot, what is the use of the option? So I'll eliminate the option altogether. Now when you look at option D, you will see you do find circle and triangle are one inside the other, but also square is there inside the circle. Therefore you will not be able to find circle and triangle only. I want only these two figures, right? Therefore what I'll do, I'll eliminate this option also because I'll not be able to find option the pink dot there. Now the next are triangle and square, triangle and rectangle. Let's see where I can find. In option B, I can find triangle and rectangle. Only this area or this small area, as you can see, very small areas are there where you will be able to find the rectangle and the triangle in option B. But the triangle and square part is not there in option B. As you can see here, the triangle and square, as in this area, always this area is enclosed either by the rectangle or the circle. Therefore I'll not be able to find these two figures only. So I'll eliminate option B also. Now when you go to option A, you will be able to find these dots very clearly. As you can see, in the left a triangle and a square is there, and in the right you can see a area which is triangle and rectangle only is also present there. Therefore answer is option A for this question. Now thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts, do mention it in the comment section below. Thank you and have a nice day.